What a beautiful Sunday afternoon, guys. Let's see what's going on today. Um, let's see what Future's got for us today, baby. Let's get it. Boom. Mm. All right, guys, let's get it, baby. Let's get it. Market is open. And let's see if we can make some cha-ching today. At least a little bit, not too much. I'm gonna be on here for a good hour or something. Um, let's see what we do, fellas. I'm gonna stick to this 1 minute. I'm gonna stick to this 1 minute. I'm just gonna go ahead and
Order server filled.
I'm just gonna hold this for now. I'm thinking, let me see. We are coming back down, but I'm just gonna hold it real quick, see what's, I don't even know where we're going at. I'm trying to see a lower side, guys. I'm trying to see the lower end of this today, possibly. Looking at the 60, let's see if we can get an actual pullback today. A little small one. Let's look at the daily though. I'm looking at levels down to here, possibly a pullback down to here or to this 50, but we are coming back up, guys. But let's see if we can get a pullback and then come back up. I'm not too sure, guys. I'm not. It really just depends on what happens um on the 1 through 5 minutes, guys. So let's check out this 10. So if these two cross on the MACDs, if these two cross, then I would be looking for short positions. And I would want to see the stochastics coming back down, guys. But I do want to see a pullback. But I just got in here just to get in. I want to see where things go today. I want to see where things go today, guys. Uh, so let's see if we can get a good pullback today, guys, or something. See if we can get a good pullback back down here a little bit. If we get a pullback back to the zone down here, then I'm gonna enter another contract down here. If not, then I'll just keep on writing this up, guys. But I do want to see a pullback though. I do want to see a pullback, fellas. See what we got. See what happens on the 1 minute, guys. See what's going on in the 1 minute. Huh. So we probably are seeing what is everything on the screen, like the blue lines and the yellow box. And yellow box. What yellow box, brother? Are you talking about here? The blue and yellow box. I have no idea what you're talking about, brother. Give me 1 second, man. I have no idea, brother. Let's see what we do here, guys. I do want to see a pullback. I do want to see a pullback. Hold on. Are you talking about right here? Let's see. If you're talking about, oh, right here, okay. So, um, this is the daily right here. The daily time frame. This is my support or my resistance up here, and this is my support down here. And this is my the zones. Um, yeah, these are zones that I'm watching, fellas. So I want to see it possibly. I know I'm in a trade. I don't care if it does pull down here. I really don't, guys. It's not going to affect me at all. I don't care. I just got in here because I want to get into a trade. I'm just eager to be into a trade. Um, but these are the zones down here that I do want to enter. I want to enter at its bottom. So between this zone here and this zone here. So possibly right here, somewhere down here. And then below this zone, I want to get into here, down to the bottom, if it does come down here, guys. But yeah, that's what I'm seeing, guys. That's what I'm seeing as far as right now. If we're looking at the MACD, we are having some volume to the upside. So if we get a continuation to the upside like this on the daily chart, we can keep coming up and hit this resistance, guys. And then if you look at the 60-minute chart, if we can cross over this signal line here, and we can keep the stochastics keep going up, then we can ride this to the top, guys. But I do want to see a pullback. I want to see a small pullback. So as far as this goes, possibly a pullback later on, and then a probably tomorrow, maybe a run up. I don't know. It really just depends on what happens. What is everybody doing? You know, are they happy? Are they wanting some? Are they wanting to buy or are they wanting to sell? I don't know. I can't tell the future, guys. I'm not a guru, so I have no idea, fellas. I have no idea. But it looks like we are coming back down looking at this, but so I might, looking at this wick here, I might get into some shorts all the way up here, guys, if we do come back up. If not, I'll just enter one contract going down and then further and then further and then further, guys. So I'll get into some shorts up here if I can. Oh man, all right. See what happens, fellas. See what's going on. I'm gonna hold this trade, guys. I'm not going anywhere. Like I said, I do want to see a pullback, so I don't care. And this is MNQ, guys. If you're, let's put MNQs, MNQ, guys. So let's look at the 1 hour real quick. Let's see if we can get a pullback down to this 50-minute and then possibly jump up. But I have no idea, guys. Like I said, we can go to this zone, these zones down here, um, possibly down there. I'll keep adding one down here or something. But my maximum contracts would be four if I were, if it does go down that far, then I will be getting into the maximum will be four. Each zone that it does come down, it'll be just four. That's it, fellas. I don't do no more. Man, my neck. So, yeah, fellas. So let's see what happens right here, guys. If this sarcastic crosses over and starts heading down to downside, I want to get into some short positions up here somewhere. See what happens, fellas. Oh crap! I didn't know I had this many people in here. This is the most I think I had. Malia, Steven, A, Ackend, W Pro user, Delgado, Big, Monster. Uh, thanks for tuning in, guys. Avery, what's going on? Leon, see what we do, fellas. Let's just wait. So this trend line here was made by NinjaTrader. I don't put these trend lines. This is automatically put on here by the program. And I'm watching MNQs, guys. MNQs right here. Um, yeah, guys. So I'm just watching. I'm watching MNQs right now. I do want to see a pullback to the downside. Um, let's look at the daily right quick. So I do want to see a pullback back down to these zones right here. We're pretty much close to the top of this zone, guys, but Andrea, welcome. Yeah, so I'm kind of seeing, I want to see a pullback to the upside, guys. I mean, a pullback to the downside and then come up. And then let's see if we touch on the 60 on the 1 hour. Let's see if we touch this. This wick needs to be filled, guys, which is why I'm seeing the downside. Um, so if we do come up, I will be looking for some shorts. And if it does keep going down, I'll just be adding more positions in. Said I'm in the process of learning this, and oh boy, does it look intense. It's very intense, especially emotionally, guys. And if you have anxiety, guys, y'all better be in control because anxiety is just very bad when you're doing this. I have anxiety. I have bad anxiety, but like, it just comes out of nowhere. It's not because of the trading aspect. Is it because of myself or whatever's going on in here? Um, you know, Eliseo, thanks for joining. Thanks for sharing the live, man. Gracias, Eliseo Pacheco. Is that Pacheco? Thanks for sharing. I'm gonna look for shorts, but I might get out this position here soon. But I want to look for shorts. We are still above on the 5 minute above this this positive side on the MACD, and but on the stochastics we are down. We are lower on the stochastics, so there's really no telling, guys. It's just I really don't know, guys. I just read these technicals and I kind of get an idea of what's gonna happen, and then I just react. So if we do come up to this zone up here, I will be shorting to the higher portion of that wick. If we continue this, if there is a long push down here, if there's a big candle on the downside of volume, then if it does come back up, then I will be looking into a short position, guys. So that's about it. Lynn, welcome. Leon, Eddie, Patricia, Victor, Luis, Delgado, Hazel Cruz, welcome. Elaine, welcome, welcome. Yeah, guys, ladies and gents, I will be looking for, if it does go up, I'll be looking for short positions. If it comes down, I'll just keep adding to this position, guys. And I'm just going to hold it all night if it does go down. So, be looking at the 60, the settings of 7, 14, and 3, which is the original ones. I have a different settings, just like I said before in my other past live. Um, my other past live my other past live streamings. I use different settings, guys, but since everybody uses these settings, I'll go ahead and start making my analysis based on these settings here. What I'm seeing on the MACD is if we can get a crossover here and have volume come up here, then I will be looking for long positions down here. But if they already do, if this continues to go below zero on the 1 hour, guys, then I'll be looking for shorting up here. If it does come up here, guys, I would be looking for shorts. So just keep in mind of the full story. Looking at this, looking at this 10 minute, we look like we are, well, this trend line here, we are going to unless it goes below zero. Once it starts going below zero, guys, then look for a wedge down. So yeah, fellas, see what we do. Let's get it, baby. All right, so we are coming out. I want to see these wicks being taken out, guys. If we do come above, the stochastics is coming back up, guys, but we might see a little lower, maybe a little wedge down, and possibly come back up, guys. But I want to see this wick being taken out on the 1 minute. And this 3 minute, same thing. It needs to go above the zero on this MACD. Welcome everybody. Welcome everyone. I will be on tomorrow around what was it? Around 8 o'clock, and then I have a 5 hour drive back home. So so I'm gonna have to get off around 9 something. And then I'll probably be on later on that day. Jeez, my stomach, why is my stomach hurting? Ugh. All right, guys. All right, guys. So we are coming back up. Let's see what happens, fellas, on this 1 minute. EMAs, brother. They're moving averages, guys. Exponential moving averages. What is that? SE? All right, guys. So we are coming back. We are moving up. I want to see. I want to be able to see this wick up here being taken out, fellas, and then seeing what's going on after that. We got to make some. Yeah, you can do this full time. It's possible. You just have to have. I would say either already have funds already, like um, like I get in. Let's say, for example, I get in at my usual normal times when I'm home. I usually get in at 9:15, and then I'm already off by 10:55, and the rest of my day is boring. That's it, guys. It's boring. Um, that's if you want to do it full. Well, that's my full time. It's just 9:15 to 11 o'clock. To do that, you have to have either capital or, just have something just in case, guys, if it doesn't work. But first of all, I would say is don't do that. Um, just have a job. This is futures. I don't do Forex. I want to see this wick to this upside being taken out, guys. I want to see this being taken out. Shit. Man, my stomach is killing me, guys. This is MNQ, brother. Well, yeah, this is MNQ. I'm not going to trade in Qs just yet. I'll trade in Qs later on. I want to see this being taken out, fellas. Welcome, everyone. Welcome. I'm just gonna wait, guys. I'm not gonna do anything just yet. Now, if there is any kind of reversal, we will be seeing it on the 1 minute. Guys, so fellas, do your thing. Fellas, do your thing. Your thing, guys. Do your thing. Give me some likes, fellas. Give me some likes, man. I'm green, baby. We gotta get it. We gotta take this wick out. We gotta take this wick, guys. We gotta take this wick out, baby. We gotta get it. We gotta make some money. I just entered my first trade on my. I just entered. Yeah. Oh, that's cool. Nice. Hell yeah, man. I love it. I love, man. I'm showing y'all some love. I'm showing y'all some love too. Thanks for the likes, fellas. I'm showing y'all some love. I'm teaching y'all this, guys. I'm trying to. This is what I'm seeing right now is just a little bit of upside, but I want to catch those shorts though, because we're right here on this 5 minute. I want to catch those shorts too. But let's see what's going on at the higher time frames, guys. If we cross over here, guys, if we cross here on this 1 hour, wait for a pullback, right? And then we're coming back up, and then look for a down movement, guys. Thanks for the follow, Zigzag. I thought you were already following me, brother. Thanks for the follow, Jorge Mendoza. I want to see this wick being taken out, guys. We we're losing volume here though on the 15, so let's be careful. Let's be careful, guys. We got to be careful, fellas. 'Cause this thing can jump right back down. Even if it goes down, I don't care. I'm still going to stick this one out, guys. See what happens. This might come back down to this 7 EMA right here. So if it keeps going up, this EMA will keep moving with it. So all we have to do is just look for a zone, guys. Just look for a zone and enter at the bottom of that zone and you should be good. If we're moving like this already, then well, really you have to be careful because this is still below the zero, guys. So yeah, we might come back down to this 7 right here on this 3 minutes. So y'all have to be careful, guys. Look for some entries at the lower end of a zone and then get back in, fellas. As soon as I open this thing, as soon as I start, I just got in, fellas. I mean, I just read technicals and that's what I go off of, guys. So let's see what happens. So if we get a consolidation, guys, I will be getting in again. So let's see what happens, fellas. We do have this, we're still above the EMAs. We're still on an upward wedge on this 10 minute. So let's see what happens, fellas. I'm just gonna hold it, guys. I'm not going to go anywhere. Gosh, those dogs don't shut up. Oh wow. All right, it's nothing but a waiting game, guys. I'm just gonna get at the very top of that wick, and then I'm just gonna close out of this, and probably be on here for 1 hour, and then that's it. Do have a consolidation zone, guys. A little liquidity area here is starting to form. Um, let's just see what happens from here, guys. Let's see what happens. We just don't know where the top of that liquidity zone is, so. Oh yeah, I gotta take my picture of the day. I forgot, guys. Easy stuff, guys. Easy stuff, man. That's the 50 bucks I didn't have. But if it's an FU candle, then it's really like, you know, I got like a bruise here. It's really what's going on Twitch? Sweats. Hmm. See what happens here, fellas. See what happens here. See if we can come back down to this 7 right here. If we come back down to this 7 on the 3 minute, I'm gonna go ahead and get into this one. I'm gonna go ahead and just
Order
set
submitted.
another one here, guys. Sorry if that was too loud for y'all. Are we forming this next, is this the top of the range, guys? I don't know. Looks like it. Looks like it could be a top of a range. Yeah, so I entered here, guys. I entered at this point here, came back down, Came back up. Boom, 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 boom. Making some damn money, guys. We might have a little breakout, come back in the zone, and then possibly break out and take out this wick here. Well, I don't know because I'm not a guru, guys. I'm just gonna be on here for a little bit, guys. I'm just gonna be here for like an hour and then see what happens, guys, because after hours are just really slow. See what we do, fellas. Let's see what we're doing, guys. I'm going up, guys. I'm going up. I'm getting it. TNT, thanks for subscribing, brother. Thanks for subscribing on YouTube, brother. Good stuff, man. I don't really have like barely any subscribers on YouTube or actually on the most subscribers I do have is on like TikTok and it's not really even that much, guys, compared to, what other streamers are doing. But I would like to have some Facebook subscribers as well or followers, guys. I need the recognition, guys. But I am trying to I'm about to get my website out sometime. My stuff is just boring, guys. I have like a lot of videos that I need to get done and I'm just it's just a lot of work, guys. See what we do. So I did it for Twitch and YouTube. That's it. So only for Twitch and YouTube. That's crazy. I thought I did it for other ones too as well. It is what it is, guys. Let's see what this pullback brings us. So we are still above this on the 10 minute, we're still above this positive zero. I don't do Facebook. Too much drama. But thanks for the follow, brother. Thanks for the follow, man. I appreciate it though. It's all right, man. I just can't stream. Cuddle Cuddle Me Timber, what's going on? I've seen you. I've seen you last time. I remember you. Um, I think the only way for me to get on Facebook, I need like 100 followers to actually stream on there, and I'm not even able to do that. So, and I don't even know how to stream on there just using my desktop. Like, I think I have to sign into Facebook by itself and then get a separate camera and somehow. How about Discord? I do have Discord, brother, but I just haven't gotten into it enough. I'm not familiar with Discord, guys. Like I know what Discord is, and I do have a buddy that invited me into one of his, but I'm not familiar with that, so I don't know my way around, guys. Um, but yeah, I think that's the only one that I can't go live on is Facebook. That would be nice though to go live on every one of them. All right, guys. So we are looking right now on this 10 minute, fellas. Um, we are on the positive side of this MACD. I want to see this wick being taken out at least, and maybe heading up just a little bit more and try to get these tops being taken out, guys. But other than that, if I see any kind of reversal, I will call it out. You'll see the reversal on the 1 and the 2 minute, guys. Raz, what's going on, buddy? To open a trading account? Um, I mean, I guess be 18 years older and have funds, and that's about it. And if I mean, yeah, that's basically it, guys. For futures, just be old enough to open an account, have a bank account, and transfer funds, and then start trading. Or, use a prop firm. I think you can, yeah, you can use a prop firm, guys. Um, and just buy an account, try to get funded, and there you go. All right, guys, I'm gonna wait for this to be taken out. Um, that's all I see as of right now, guys. I don't see anything else besides that. I don't know how far this thing is gonna run up either, all right? I'm not a guru here. I'm not gonna sit here and tell y'all that I just read the technicals and I react. That's it, guys. That's all I do. Technical Dariet, sorry. Miguel Angel, time waster, what's going on? Thanks for being on here, fellas, ladies and gents. If y'all have any technical analysis y'all want me to do, well, I can only do it. Let's just do it for MNQ and ES, guys. That's it. I'm not going, I said, I mean, I live in the USA. All utility bills are under my friend's name, so still I can open account. Yeah, I mean, you can do whatever it is you want to do, brother. Or actually, I can't even. Sorry, if got ladies and gentlemen, guys, I cannot see if you are male or female, so I am sorry if I miss gender you. Like the pictures are like this, they're like really tiny, so I can't really see them. Okay. Yeah, so if I, you know, um yeah, guys, so yeah, that's that. I can't really see the pictures, guys. They're really tiny. I'm on my laptop, guys, so I will be home possibly tomorrow. I have a 5 hour drive on my desktop, so I'll be able to see everyone fully. But yeah, yeah, you can open. Can you trade with 1K in your account with futures? Yeah, you can definitely trade 1K. Yeah, just don't. If you're gonna do that, if you're gonna trade with 1K, um, just make sure that your drawdown or your little whatever it is that you're trading, just don't go below like, $50 or something for each trade, guys. Or at least 100, 150 out for me. For with 1K I would do 150, but that's because I'm experienced. But for everybody, just if you're a beginner, guys, don't lose it. Just don't do it. If you want to actually just trade and just try to make a little bit of money here and there, like $20 here and there, like for 1K, I'd say to everybody for like $2,000, your main goal is to reach to like $20 to $50, and that's it, guys. You're not you're not there to make $500 with 2K. I mean, if you can do it, if you're experienced, then yes, I understand it is possible. You can make $300. You can make $1,000 off of 2,000. But you're just really risking to be liquidated, guys. So with 1K, I would definitely just go for $20 or $50 because what that's the same thing with 2K, just one, and just make sure that your entries are precise. Just just try to do something, guys. Just try to know what you're doing first before you enter, because otherwise, just pretend like that money's gone, basically. Just pretend like you don't even have the money anymore. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna stick to this trade for a bit. Let's see what happens. I want to see that. Oh, that wick already got taken out, didn't it? Oh no, no, it didn't. We still got some room. We still got a little, got a little bit of room, baby. We got a little bit of room to the upside, guys. Ernesto, ¿qué pasa? ¿Qué onda, compa? Thanks for the like, brother. Thanks for the like. We gotta make that money, baby. We gotta make that money, fellas. Guys, I'm not gonna sit here and let my days go red, guys. All right, that's one thing about me. If it does go red, I'm gonna make sure it goes green. I don't care. I don't care. I can guarantee y'all guys that if y'all come in here every day in my live, y'all not gonna see me go red. I mean, y'all will see me probably go down in the red, but I'm not gonna close out of red, guys. And that's just me, and that's because I only mess with one at a time. I mean, I do enter more as I do go down, but I'm not going to go in the red, guys. That's not me, fellas. That's not me. What up, rude boy? Got to make that money. Let's get it. All right, so once this, let's see if we can get this candle, this wick up here taken out, guys, taken out, and then we will, figure out what's the next move on this, guys. Sí, acá arriba. Va a subir, yo creo. Yeah, guys, I'm thinking we're gonna reach up here, guys. Hey, that's a good thing. It's a good thing you close it. It's a good thing you close though. That means you're disciplined. I mean, you should be disciplined enough to be like, oh crap, like I need to take this money now. Um, but if you know what you're looking for, you can hold this stuff, guys. I do want to see this wick being taken out though. Once it reaches to this top right here and it passes just a little bit, I'm getting out. But let's see what happens, fellas. Let's see what happens, guys. I want to see this thing being taken out, guys, and all the way up here. 650. Yeah, let's see what happens, guys. No, I don't trade ICT. I just do my own stuff, brothers. I just do my own stuff. I learned this stuff all by myself and I watched millions of videos and then from there on out I had to put in the time. I had to put in the hard effort. I had my moments where I wanted to, break my screen or I wanted to throw it out. I had my moments, guys. I did my time. Um, and I got my edge. I found my edge. Well, you got to be in here every day, baby. We got to get it. I will. What's going on, crypto? Everybody, go check out Crypto Wick 13. Go check him out. Uh, good stuff with crypto, guys. Um, oh, guys, like, I learned this stuff, guys, by myself. I did my time. I did what I had to, and man, it was. To be honest with y'all, I lost about 20K when I first started. When I first started, I lost $20,000, guys. And that was in options. That wasn't even in futures, guys. Which videos on YouTube would you recommend? So I would recommend all the gurus out there that say that they know how to trade, just watch their videos. I mean, I really don't, like they have really good information out there. They really do. Um, Options are killer. Yeah, options are killers, guys. But for Jasmine, if I would watch uh just watch all the traders that pop up on your screen, just watch them. I mean, all they're doing, they're showing the basics. But I haven't seen anybody actually trade technicals, guys. And that's what I do. But I know, guys, I know my stuff is pretty boring. Like, Potter, what are you laughing at? I know, guys, I know my profile is really boring, and I really, uh, guys, okay, so sorry, I'm over here paying attention to the chat, but all right, guys, I know my stuff is really boring, and I know like my profile is just really sucks, but I am going to work on it, guys, and I will have lots of stuff going to come out. But right now, it's just that I just been all I've been doing has been streaming, and I haven't even touched no videos, so. I will cover on that at some point, but my main stuff really is just technicals, and that's it, guys. I don't go beyond that, but I will. Um, my mentor, my good friend of mine, he works at a firm. He gets on me on that every single time, and he might come on here, and he might, he'll call me out, guys. He will definitely call me out on my chart analysis and stuff like that, guys. But I'll take it, guys. I take it because he knows his stuff. But I will get onto my stuff and have these videos being pushed out soon. And I want to be able to thank crypto for that. Crypto with I live trade by myself, fellas. I'm a I'm a lone eagle. I fly alone. Eagles fly alone, baby. It doesn't matter if it's entertaining as long as it's informal. Hell yeah, bro. Uh, it doesn't matter if it's entering as long as it's informal. Yeah, so all guys, all this right now is it's free. Like it's free right now, guys. Like I'm not well, even if I make a subscription based website, guys, like I am like I'm talking to my website manager and stuff. I'm talking to other people as well. But it will be charged around 10.99. I'm not gonna charge those expensive, like $70. That's just way too much, especially with everything that's going on in the markets. It's like there's just no way. There's no way, man. Everybody will have a chance. And there's no, I don't think I'm not going to set no VIP or nothing for everybody's going to be treated the same way, guys. There's no such thing for VIPs for me or anything like that. Nobody gets no kind of, everybody gets the same information, guys. So yeah, fellas, um, I'm a fair guy. I just, I love trading and that's what I do. I love technicals. I want to help people and we got to help each other. We're like family, guys. Yeah. So just watch a whole bunch of depending on what your goals are. If you have a job right now, keep that job and just if you're able to trade, trade on your phone if you're at work in the mornings and if not, if you're not working and you're just trying to learn, just use it. If you really don't care, just waste your money and get a prop firm and then, you know, you're gonna fail. I'm gonna say right now, you're gonna fail. You're gonna fail with you're going to blow accounts if you're going to prop firms, or you're going to blow your own account. It's a definite, guys. If you're a beginner, it's a definite. So I'm not going to be nice about that because that's the reality of it. So yeah, guys. All right, so let's focus here. Let's see what's going on here. Let's look at this 1 minute, guys. I want to look at this 1 minute. I want to see this top of this wick being taken out. We do have this zone here. Let's see if we y'all saw that. You do not want to play with that, guys. Look at this, guys. You do not want to play with that. That is a no. I'm gonna take that out, guys. That is not a good sign, guys. When you get drops like that, that is not a good sign. So let's see if we can take this out. If it can't take it out, guys, I'm just gonna get out. But it almost touched it, guys. It almost touched it. It almost did, guys. Almost had it. It almost, damn. I should have just got up just a little bit higher, guys. I would have had it. But I want to see this thing being taken out, guys. New, my first two accounts got profitable on the third. Hey man, well, a lot of people don't really, I don't know how you figure that out that quick, but a year or two, and then become consistent. Uh, and then you just buy, a funded account, and then yeah, it's possible you can get it on the first try. But it's you have to learn. 99% of people don't. Yeah. Um, you did options for 5 years. How did all right, so we got a little caramel here. How did you what was your return on those 5 years with options? If you don't mind me asking. You don't have to answer that. But um how'd you do on options and why did you switch over to futures? I didn't just do it from nothing, trust me. Yeah. Guys, this is all mental, guys. This stuff will bring you down. Like it seriously will. This is very emotional too. Guys, like there'll be days you're gonna want to throw out your computer or do something crazy. That was me, guys. That was me whenever like when I was doing Apex accounts, guys, like before, I think it was last year, guys, where it was something no, I think it was the last one I did was I think it was this year in January, guys. It was like man, like I passed all their accounts, guys, every one of them, but not once have I gotten a payout. And I passed every single funded account, every single whatever. All right, guys, let's see what happens here. Let's look at this 1 minute here and see what's going on here. All right, so we are coming back down here. If I see uh any kind of change or if I see the MACDs going below zero, I will be getting out of this trade, and then I'll be looking at the 5 minutes, see what's going on here. So we might touch down on this 50, but I don't know just yet. So, Ninja Trader, Ninja Trader, guys, Ninja Trader. Jonathan, hey guys, check out Jonathan Tabrizi. Sorry, brother, I don't want to say your name wrong. But check him out, guys. Really good stuff. Really good stuff. Oh yeah, definitely. I'm just starting right now, so it looks good right now. It looks really good right now. It looks really good right now, fellas. I want to see this top of this wick being taken out. So, fellas, I want to see this right here being taken out, guys. Being taken out, guys. So let's see what happens, man. So basically, all you're gonna see, everything you're gonna see right now, since everything is so slow, just watch the 1 minute, guys. Just watch this 1 minute. There's no, I look at everything, every time frame because I want to see the whole picture, guys. I want to see this. I want to see what happens with this signal line and the MACD, and I want to see what the volume is telling me, guys. That's what I want to see. Look at this wick up here. Look at this wick. This wick definitely needs to be taken out. This is what you need to look for, guys. You need to look for this kind of stuff right here. You need to look for this kind of stuff up here, guys. See this stuff, guys? You need to look for this stuff. This is the 1 hour, fellas. This is the 1 hour. So you need to definitely look into this stuff, guys. And look at this one. I want y'all to pay attention to this one as well. Pay attention to this one. This right here, guys. Pay attention to that, guys. Pay attention to that. We starting over. Um, this is my first trade, brother. Crypto, this is my first trade, man. And as soon as the market opens, I was doing my analysis, and then I was like, you know what? I'm just going to go ahead and jump in because this is what I see. So, thanks for sharing the live, brother. Thanks for sharing the live. Everybody, go check out crypto. Go check out crypto, guys. Um, aiming for 100. You're aiming for 100K, man. Everybody's aiming for the moon, brother. But every time you take that next step, man, it just brings you down, brother. It does. This stuff is not it's not for the weak, guys. I think that's the only thing that's for you, crypto. Wick. It says what is that, Malia? Is crypto the only asset you trade? Luis shared the live. Thanks for sharing the live. Everybody hit those like buttons, baby. We gotta make this money. Ash whooping, that's nice. uh, hey, some of these usernames are funny, man. I love it. I love it, man. Much love, guys. All right, let's see what's going on in the 1 minute. I'm not seeing. All right, so we got this wick here, so we might be coming down, guys. So I'm gonna see what happens. So the circle only represents of give me 1 second, guys. I'm just trying to focus on this trade. I don't want to lose anything. This circle represents of just watch. Just watch for this, guys. Because what I'm seeing on the daily, I have these level here, guys. I have these levels here. I have this one here, right? And I have this one here, guys. So watch out for that circle down there because uh, just looking at smaller time frames, fellas, like if this, then look for a shorts, guys. On the 30, if the MACD is below zero, guys, look for shorts. So look for shorts, guys. Like I would be trading NQs, guys, right now, but I want to be like, just I need to be focused on this, guys, and not, being on chat. And yeah, I usually do NQs later on at night, probably at like around 8 o'clock. That's when I do NQs. But right now, I just since I'm like reading and stuff, I want to be more focused on just doing this. So guys, this circle that I did earlier, this represents an eye, like keep an eye out on. Oh, you want to know? I blew about before I became profitable. Well, I was already trading for like 4 years, guys, on options. And then I moved on to futures because I was seeing uh Jesse, yeah, thank you. So yeah, I was pretty much I was focused on options in the beginning and I've been doing this for a while and then I changed myself to futures and I was like it was this kind of it was the same but like with options you have contracts and you have the Greeks and all that stuff and I didn't really understand the futures what was going on. You had I didn't know what margin, what do you call it, leveraging is, and all that stuff, and initial margin, and I didn't understand all that stuff, guys. So I would go in and I would just go full port on funded accounts, and I blew about 76 funded. I mean, not funded. I blew 76 of them. And yeah, that's the reality, guys. Like, um, but when I was trading options, guys, I made 17,000 on Nvidia, and I made about 15,000 on Tesla in 2 days. So that was on options, guys. And then I was like, man, there has to be something better and easier instead of just, going in on options, and then you have to put in, like on options you have to put in like, $2.13 manually, and like that's how I did it because I use Fidelity for that, guys. I still do, like, or I use Robinhood and just try to look at things really fast and stuff. So, Speedy the car, just depending on initial what the initial requirements are for whatever you're trading, guys, just don't over leverage. Use one contract, guys. If you have $1,000, don't put in, a whole ton in there. Because if it goes down just a little bit, guys, yeah, that's it. Your money is gone. And you can't ask for it back either. So um just be careful, fellas. That's if you have a little bit of money, work, from $1,000. I'd say from $1,000, fellas, make about 20 bucks and get off of it and do it the next day. Make 50 bucks, get off of it, do it the next day. Just don't get in, get off, and get out. That's it, guys. Don't do nothing else. Don't try to make $500. Don't try to make 1,000 either. Now, I understand if, you start over and you're experienced, then yes, you can make that. It's possible. You can hold it. You can put in one contract at a zone and put another contract at the next level, guys. And then you're just good to go. But don't try to yeah, fellas, that's all I have to say about that. Oh man, the mentality is hard, man. Discipline is what gets people. Risk management is what gets people. And that's what I say about that, man. It's like start off with one contract, guys. These contracts or these candles, whenever they move, like if you have enough liquidity or if you have enough funds, if you have enough capital, if you have enough whatever it is that like drawdown, if you have enough drawdown, guys, you can hold that damn thing all day, just depending on what your drawdown is. And if it has to be more than like $3,000, guys, or 2,000. This is MNQ. This is MNQ, guys. I have it up here. I know it's very, I know it's very, very small here, guys, but I mean, I can't make it any bigger, I don't think. Yeah, I can't make it any bigger, guys. But yeah, exactly, exactly. Guys, just make a little bit of money and get out. I made on MNQs, guys. This is my day on MNQs. I make on MNQs. I go in my average. I make about 76 trades. Whenever I'm on here, guys. It's a crypto say if you hit and expand, it makes it bigger, guys. Check it out, guys. If I make about like 76 trades on MNQ, and my days are pretty good. And that's just getting in. You can average, like, think about it. If you do 20 trades and those 20 trades are $20, how much are you getting? Like, you gotta put that in your mind. Like, get in, make a little bit of buck, get out. Get in, get out. Scalp it, guys. Just scalp the thing. Scalpers make more money than holders. Like, if you've seen real scalpers, guys, they make a whole lot more money. Because every move that it makes, Like this wick will come up and it'll come down and it'll come up, it'll come down, and then the next one will form. It'll come up, come down. Like imagine how much money you can be making just out of that one candle, out of just one candle, guys. That's what you have to put in mind, guys. So let's see if we hold this 50. If we can't hold this 50, guys, I'm getting out. But it's so scary. Yeah, yeah, it could be scary, brother. Like I understand that, man. But you got to do what you got to do. Can't don't let your emotions get to you, especially if you're on the downside. If you're on the holy shit, if you're on the downside, guys, don't get scared. Just know what you can afford to lose, and just be disciplined to get out whenever you're wrong. Yep, small lots slash contracts is the way to go, brother. This is pretty much so you have to have a certain amount of margin in order to place one trade on MNQ. So one contract. So for options, it's 100. You get a one contract is 100 shares of whatever equity you're buying at a premium price, guys. But that's a whole nother story, guys. I'm not going to get into options right now. So that's something that has to be learned. I'm not going to say like not here. I might do something like that probably later on, but that's not my thing right now. So let's see what we do, fellas. Let's see what we do. I'm watching this zone here, guys. We do have this zone up here on this 15 minute, and we have this line here, this liquidity zone right here, guys. So if it comes back down here, I will be adding another position back down to this zone, guys. But if not, baby, I'm gonna keep holding it, fellas. I'm gonna keep holding this, baby. Thanks for the follow, everybody. Much love, baby. We gotta get it. And guys, if y'all look at my profile, like I want to keep repeating this because um there's not much on there. It does get boring, guys. Um sorry my laptop's about to die, but um I will have some stuff up there sometime, and we'll get that stuff situated, but right now, yeah, my profile is just boring, guys, so y'all not going to see too much on there. But if y'all come watch my live, every single day, you'll see that, I'm the real stuff, man. I can read technicals, guys. I'm not going to let a day go red. I'm not. One mini contract is $20 per point movement, guys. So y'all can get that very quickly by scalping. Just make 20 trades a day, guys, and y'all golden. And don't lose those. If you lose like $8, whatever, or four. But I know in the mornings it can be very tough because on opening there's just a lot of volatility, guys. But just wait. Just get in and if you get in at a good spot in the morning and just let it just go up, like up wherever, way you're trying to go, man. Just get in and get out, guys. There's no reason to hold. If you don't know what you're doing in the market, guys, then I wouldn't even risk it. I would go and study first. There's no reason to just get in just because. You have to look at the data. How much it, well, it depends. If you're a beginner, you shouldn't start with anything. You should start with a sim account. If you're intermediate, then, I would say intermediate, it's just like it's very hard, man. It's because I say the people start with 2000 um and just use one contract and make 20 here and make $50 there and that's it, guys. And just compound it, guys. That's it. I'm not, I'm being real about it. Don't trade real real funds, guys. You're gonna lose it. You're gonna lose it, guys. Yeah, what you need? Guys, I have about oh, it's already 1 hour and 17 minutes. All right, guys. What do you need, honey? I'll be over there whenever I'm done with this, okay? Okay. Okay, so guys, you will lose your money. All right, you'll give it to the future gods or the stock gods. I'm not lying, guys. I'm being for real. You're gonna lose it. Uh, even the top, one percenters that actually are profitable, they lose too. Now, when I say that I'm not going to let things go to red, is because I just go in with one contract and one contract. If you just hold it and put another contract, it can go. If I know what I'm doing, I'm not going to let it go red, guys. I'm not, but I'm not definitely not looking for a home run either. So it's more easier for me to say that because I can get in and get out fairly quickly and make a couple of bucks and just keep on doing the same stuff, guys, and I'll still be green for the day. Um, so yeah. Now the guys that do make red are the guys that enter with, three contracts, four contracts at a time at one specific, place. That's what I see that doesn't work out for me, guys. It may work out for other people and they may know their stuff, but um those guys right there are really risking, guys. Either that or they have a lot of liquidity or they have a lot of capital to be doing that kind of stuff, guys. I don't. So that's what I don't do. You put in 2000, whatever you make for that week, you take it out, guys. Or if you put in 1,000, you make 500 bucks, you take that 500 out, put it in CDs or put it in bonds, whatever, put it in a money market savings account or something, guys, and just let it compound. Start over. That's the only way you're going to get disciplined, guys. The only way is by managing your risk and taking the money out and starting over. Pretend you're at zero, or you pretend that, if you had $1,000, pretend you only had 500, you know, but it's kind of hard when you see those numbers up there. Just don't even have that number up there, guys. Just be disciplined with your risk management. All right, brother. Hey, take care, man. I'll definitely close green today, brother. But all right, man. I'll catch you later. Don't I should have gotten in over here. Let's see what happens. We are coming back down. The So it looks like we might be coming back down, guys. I'll probably get later on tonight, guys. Oh yeah, yeah. I'll probably come if you're trading. I'll come watch you. But I will definitely be on tomorrow. Tomorrow morning, guys, 8 o'clock. All right, guys. So we're still above the MACD. I'm seeing this come back up, guys. We do have liquidity right here in this zone. So let's see what happens. All right, all right, brother. I do see liquidity right here, guys. So let's see what happens from here. We have to go above. I got you. So I do want to see these highs being taken out, especially this wick here, possibly all the way up here, guys. But not too sure right now. Um, let's look at the I am watching this. So if we see this crossover, guys, start looking for shorts on the 15-minute, or actually on the 5-minute. These have to start crossing, guys. On the 5-minute, have to start crossing. So once if you do get a higher high and then start getting a higher low, then start looking for shorts, guys. And then check your MACDs, guys. Check your stochastics as well. So I'm just gonna hold this for a bit, guys. Let's see what we do, fellas. Ladies and gentlemen, let's see what we do. Oh, this thing is at an angle. Sorry, guys. I know it's not professional right now. It doesn't look professional, guys. I'm not. I'm most of the time, guys. I'm mostly shaved and all clean and cut and everything. But I've been out here trying to get some stuff done. So I'm 5 hours away from home. Once I get back, guys, everybody's gonna be. We're gonna take it to the next level, fellas. We're gonna take it to the next level. Let's see what we do, fellas. All right, guys. So I did get into here, and then I was just waiting for a little push back up. See if we can get the same thing coming back up again, possibly up here. If not, that's okay. If we do get a lower low here, uh, higher low and whatnot, whatever y'all call it, then I will be getting out here at this right below this 50, guys. Just in case, just to keep a little bit of profits. I don't care if I lose green. That is all I care about, guys. I just want to be green, baby. I just want to see that paper. So we are here at the 15. If we do touch this signal line down here, do you have any funded accounts? Yes, that's what I do. I fund my own account. I fund my own account, guys. I put in 2,000 every month. Let's see if what happens here, guys. Let's see what if this MACD touches a signal line, guys. We could see that down here, somewhere down here, and then come back up. I don't know, guys. I really don't know. We just react. This is the bottom of the range, guys, on the 30-minute. So this is a low. We can come back down here, which is why I said watch out for this here, because you can see that on the 1 hour. So you can see that on the 1 hour. Watch this wick, guys. Be careful with this one. Be careful with this one, guys. And then yeah, just react to the action, baby. We gotta get it. I want to see what happens here, guys. If we can't move any further up, then I'm gonna go ahead and get out of this trade. Or let's look at this 3-minute, guys. All right, so right now I'm just gonna wait because I know that this is above the MACD. So what we're seeing here is you're seeing the trend line here, guys, but we're looking at an up wedge, guys. We're looking at a wedge up, so but anything can happen at any moment, guys. Oh, Jesus. Oh, man. I did say I was going to get off in 1 hour. I mean, it's already been like 1 hour, guys, but I'll wait for another 15 minutes maybe. Maybe another 30, I don't know. I just want to see what happens. Whenever I close this, guys, I'll go ahead. I'll just get off whenever I close it. But I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait, fellas. Melly, welcome. See what happens, fellas. I'm not gonna do anything just yet. I'm gonna be watching that 3 minute though. I'm gonna be watching this 3 minute though. I want to see what happens if we still get more spread here. If we get more of a spread here, guys, then I would be looking for shorts. So just be careful a different way. Well, we got to keep looking at every time frame, guys. We got to look at the whole story first. Will we get a bounce off of here? What is the stochastics doing? What is the EMAs doing? What are the other time frames doing? You know, you have to keep this in mind, guys. You got to keep uh, a picture of what's happening throughout these time frames. You got to know that, hey, we have something here, we have a zone here, we have liquidity here. You know, you have to keep all this stuff, guys, in your head. So this is just to watch out, guys. Just watch out for this down here, guys, because we do have a wick here and we have this big ass wick right here, guys. So you have to be careful on this stuff, guys. You can't just assume anything. Watch out for these two guys here. Because looking at it right now, if we don't see any bars at the top on the MACD, just be careful, fellas, ladies and gents. This is a 15-minute, guys. This is a 5-minute, fellas. See what we do, guys. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and sell here, guys. See if we
Order
can.
filled.
There we go. That's what we do, fellas. That's how we do it. Well, that's how I do it, guys. That's how I do it, guys. Um, let's see. Let's see what we do, fellas. So we're at 1 hour and 31 minutes, guys. I think maybe I might be on here a little bit more. I do not know. I do have to fix something real quick, but they say, yeah, took that Wick Friday like you said. Jesse? Oh, you been in here, Jesse? I don't remember you being or I don't remember you being in here. But there we go, guys. See, like we have somebody that, you know, has been watching me from what I can tell. And yeah, guys, I mean, technicals, baby. Technicals, man. I know how to do this stuff fairly well, guys. So, but yeah, guys, pay attention, fellas. Like, all right, so y'all have to pay attention. Pay attention to these wicks, guys. Very important. All right. I'm giving y'all the sauce already, man. Like, you know, even if I make my website and stuff, guys, and charging 10.99, I'm still going to be showing the same thing, you know, the same stuff. It's just that on the actual website, I'll be digging into more stuff with y'all. But it's 10.99, guys, later on whenever I do get it done. But right now, guys, it is free. Just pay attention to understand what I'm seeing and what I'm doing and why I'm doing it. Um, I don't know if any other traders actually do that, but guys, I'm a humble guy, man. Like I want everybody to succeed. Um, you know, and I'm trying to get somewhere, you know. So yeah, just watch out for these wicks, guys, because I want to see this wick being taken out, and I want to see this one being taken out as well. If you can look at, there's more here, guys. So and you see how it just went up. Look at this MACD, guys. Look at the MACDs. And then from here, pay attention to the 5 minute, guys. Look at that. We had this crossing right here, and we're still riding up. We're still above the zero. So I got it. The only reason why I got out is because I want to make sure that I keep my profits, guys. I want to make sure that even though yeah, I said yes that I want to take this wick out, but there's really no telling, guys. There's no telling as to if this thing is just going to drop like crazy or not. Like we just don't know. See that? That wick right there? I don't know if this is going to be taken out. This right here, look, the MACDs has already crossed that signal line. Now, it might not even touch that top side of the wick. We might not even go above here. That's why it's better to just get in here and just get out, guys. Like, if you're scalping, fellas, the whole reason for scalping is to get that the crumbs. Just getting the crumbs. And if you eat enough crumbs, guys, you'll end up full, you know? You'll end up filling up. So just pick up all the crumbs, fellas. Pick up all the crumbs that everybody's leaving. That's right, fellas. Let's get it. I want to see what happens next, guys. Pay attention to this 1 minute. So let's see what we do on the 5 minute here. So we still above the zero here, guys. Let's look at the 15. All right, we are at the 15. If we do come back down, I want to see these levels being taken out right here, all the way possibly down to here where this wick is at. So just pay attention, guys. Pay attention, fellas. Says it's nice trading while watching you live stream. You keep it 100. Man, I'm trying to, fellas. I'm not hiding no secrets. The only secret I will hide is it's not even a secret, guys. The only thing that I cannot inform y'all about is anything that my mentor has to say about what their firm is doing, guys. I That can get him into a whole bunch of trouble. So I'm not going to mention anything about that. But I do have my buddy that, he tells me things, that I shouldn't have be knowing, guys. But he's only doing that, guys, because sooner or later or sometime I have a job with him once they open their own hedge funds. So he's just keeping an eye out for me, guys. That's it. He's just watching me. Um, because I will have a job with them. And I don't know, guys, if I do have a job with them, then I might not even be able to do this, but I'm gonna try to keep this thing up as long as I can, guys. If they do. If they don't do it, then that's good, and I'll just keep on streaming until I make a name for myself, guys. But I want to see this wick being taken out, guys. I don't know. We might see a pullback here and there. I don't know. I'm not a guru. I'm just a regular guy, fellas. I'm just like y'all. So let's see if we can. I want to see it pull back to this 50 eventually. So if we do come back down, guys, I'm definitely going to get in. I'm going to get into some longs here in a minute. I'm going to get some longs in, guys. Or I might just start scalping, fellas. And there is, just to let y'all know, there is a delay. There is a 7 second delay, guys. So whenever I get in, guys, and y'all see it, I'm already in 7 seconds before y'all see that trade, guys. So where exactly I got in and look at the time frame that I'm telling y'all, and then y'all can make a decision based off if y'all want to get in or not, guys. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that, fellas. It's probably going to be taken out, guys. So taking this wick out and seeing what happens, guys. I was actually dozing off there. If y'all didn't notice, I was dozing off, guys. I was just spacing out, fellas. Oh gosh. Y'all can get back in on this seven, guys, on this seven EMA. I'm gonna go long positions, guys. I'm gonna go longs. Or actually, if you want to risk it for the biscuit, you can now. You can risk it for the biscuit, guys. This is gonna be my last trade, guys. This is gonna be my last trade, and I'm gonna be getting off, guys. I got stuff I gotta do. But I will see y'all tomorrow at 8 o'clock, fellas, or possibly 8:15, 8:30, somewhere around there, because I do have to take my kids to school. And then yeah. So, all right, guys. Like I said, get in, get off, get out, and yeah, guys, just that's just the way it is, guys. That's the way how I do it, fellas. That's it. Um, uh, it's really simple, guys. It's not hard stuff, fellas. It's really not. Very simple. You trade. I'm not going to say you trade with me. But if you follow me, you come in every day, guys. I am not going to make any kind of day red, guys. And if I do go red, I'm not closing out red. So that's my thing, guys. So all right, fellas, I'm gonna go ahead and end the stream, guys. I will see y'all tomorrow morning around 8. Thanks for all the viewers. Thanks for the gifts, fellas. Much love to y'all, guys, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Later.